Good evening. In this video, we will be talking with the Golgi apparatus, lysosomes and centrosomes. Okay, so let's start with the video. In front of you can see the picture of a cell. This is the animal cell, and here we will study in this video about the Golgi apparatus. Okay, so Golgi apparatus are also called Golgi bodies, also lysosomes and centrosomes. Okay, and centrosomes we study with the centrioles. Okay, then first we will study about the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies. These are also called delivery system of the cell. Golgi bodies are also called delivery system of the cell. Then Golgi bodies consist of, in the plant cell, it consists of more specifically, the plant cell consists of more specifically enzymes, hormones. Okay, and in the plant cells they are known as diatosomes, and in the animal cell they are known as Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus. The Golgi bodies occurs in the form of granules, which are supposed to be originated from the endoplasmic reticulum. So you can see here is your Golgi body and here is your endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so it can be supposed that the Golgi bodies are originated from the endoplasmic reticulum. These are very small in shapes, okay, and they are found near the nucleus. Then we will study about the lysosomes. Lysosomes are also called intracellular digestive centers. Okay, why they are called? Because the lysosomes are small in shape of, and they are also of different shapes, and they contain digestive enzymes. Okay, their enzymes destroy and digest foreign substances around them. Means here is your lysosomes. Okay, so lysosomes, what does it do? That they destroy and digest other cell organelles, you can say. Or here is mitochondria, so they can eat mitochondria also. They can eat Golgi bodies also. Okay, so they are called suicidal bags because they can eat other cell organelles for their purpose. Okay, they digest the stored food during unfavorable conditions when food is unavailable to the cell. Okay, so they can digest the stored food also when the food is not available, or the food is not being for the cell, so they can digest the stored food also. Then we will talk about the centrosomes and centrioles. So a centrosome is found only in an animal cell. You can't see centrosomes in plant cell. So in plant cell you can see cell wall, but you can't see cell wall in animal cell. And animal cell you can see centrosomes, but you can't see centrosomes in plant cells. Okay. So centrosomes is somewhere, means the centrosomes consist of two centrioles. Okay, two centrioles consist, means one is this and another one is this. They consist of two centrioles which are arranged at right angles. Okay, that is why they always appear in this shape, means like this they appear, like circle shape they appear. Okay, in this shape. And when the scientists have produced from the microscope, they can view the shape of the centrioles like this. Okay, and the centrioles is present only in plant cell, not in animal cell. And during cell division, both in mitosis and meiosis, spindle fibers develop from the centrosomes. When the cell division takes place to form the pre-existing cell, another cell is being formed. So mitosis and meiosis are developed from the centrosomes. Okay, so thank you for watching. Then next video we will be talking with the plastids, their parts and nucleus. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe my channel.